In this lesson, we're going to learn about comparative adjectives. Comparative adjectives are used to compare two things. For example, the black cat is bigger than the white cat. For short adjectives, we use er, than, taller than. For longer adjectives, we use more or less, plus the adjective, plus than. For example, taller than, more beautiful than, less interesting than, more exciting than, less dangerous than. Now we know the rule, let's begin.
1. Listen to the sentence. 2. Repeat it out loud after you hear it. 3. Try to finish saying it before the next sentence starts. Let's begin.
크게 따라 말해보세요.
The elephant is bigger than the mouse. The elephant is bigger than the mouse.
The giraffe is taller than the zebra. The giraffe is taller than the zebra.
The cheetah is faster than the lion. The cheetah is faster than the lion.
The rabbit is smaller than the kangaroo. The rabbit is smaller than the kangaroo.
The owl is quieter than the parrot. The owl is quieter than the parrot. The snake is longer than the worm. The snake is longer than the worm.
Dogs are more loyal than cats. Dogs are more loyal than cats.
The ant is lighter than the frog. The ant is lighter than the frog.
The bear is stronger than the squirrel. The bear is stronger than the squirrel.
The horse is more beautiful than the donkey. The horse is more beautiful than the donkey.
Congratulations, you've finished the video. Make sure you complete your PDF and watch the video again to review. See you in the next lesson.